Tell a friend. Look at you, staring at a screen that's black and blank. Mad enough to drive a Sherman tank to the bank. You got a brick in your pocket, yeah, useless device. Paid a ruthless price, now you asking who can fix it nice. I create chaos, but today I'm fixing your iOS. Don't toss it in the trash, dummy, that's a high cost. I see you stressing over passwords that you can't remember. Brain fogged up like a morning in late December. Stop crying, dry your eyes, pick up the broken pieces before I smack you with the hardware like I'm fighting species. I'm the doctor, the surgeon, the digital chiropractor. AppCycler.com, yeah, we the main factor. Everybody get your phones and lift them high up, high up. We about to make the system fry up, fry up. iCloud, your Pee, we bypass the drama. Unlock, recycle, and gain. Tell your mama. AppCycler.com. AppCycler.com. The e-waste busters. Yeah, we coming through. Listen, I got the GSX. I'm me, I checks. Connect the specs. I'm coming for the Texan Rex. You're got an Android getting paranoid of a Renoid. Ahead of more than a Renovoid. Retool, pick a lot, PP removal. Get the stamp of approval. MB and bypass faster than a scooter removal. Wait, switch it up, then speeds up. You want the subs? We got a hub for the digital dubs. Changey, peachy bus, so you don't watch like a dunce. YouTube Premium. Watch the video. One Spotify streaming. Our PTV beaming. Apple gift cards keep your wallet from screaming. Wham, on, yeah, software. Aspects of recycling and refurbishing. Collaborating with tech so the planet isn't burning things. Wholesale refurbishers get the life cycles turning wings. Extend the device life, stop the waste concerning things. We act responsibly, honestly, logically. Repairing the tech comfortably, mostly biologically. Wait, that doesn't make sense. But it rhymes though! Everybody get your phones and lift them high up, high up. We about to make the system fry up, fry up. Try it up, yeah, we bypass the drama. Unlock, recycle, and gain. Tell your mama. Yeah! AppCycler.com. AppCycler.com. The e-waste busters. Yeah, everything you need to unlock your devices plus your favorite subscriptions. AppCycle.com. Don't be a nigga, get unlocked, recycle. We're coming. Tastes like greed and aluminum. Yo, Timmy, I got a question. If I buy the car, do I need your permission to open the hood? Nah. Then why I need your permission to unlock my own damn phone? AppCycler.com. Mic check. 1, 2. Come let us show you the truth. I never seen a company act so passive aggressive, sending updates to make your battery lifeless impressive. They say it's for your safety, man, it's mass depressing. I say it's calculated, cold, and massive obsessive. You walk into the store, the walls are glass, the floor is stone, but you can't fix the crack on your own damn phone. What? They want 500 for a screen shirt tower. Go to hell. I fix it for the price of a shawarma, can't you tell? I'm the e-waste buster, the ghost in the machine, wiping the iCloud clean, keeping it pristine. You lick unauthorized modification, I call it civilized liberation from your plantation. I take a bricked iPad, heavy as a stone, inject the code, now the king is on the throne. Guess who's back to break the lock? It's iCloud.com, ticking like a clock. We don't knock, we just pick the dots and the genius home in a state of shock. No, 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 no. Say goodbye to the restriction, say salute to the addiction of freedom. Right to repair, put your hand up high, let the apple rot, watch the system die. See, I operate with the surgical precision, make a vertical incision in the evical vision. Apple's got a critical condition, it's a cynical decision to block the physical transition of your digital ambition. We got the checkmate, leave them in a checkmate. Hardware exploit, yeah, that is simply dead weight for them, but for us, it's the golden ticket. Boot got foam, yeah, we gonna kick it through the goalpost. Roast on like a Sunday toast. I'm the host with the most, clear the ghost from the machine. 5P removal automatic, MDM bypass systematic. The flow is hydrostatic, the panic is emphatic. Tim Cook looking for a patch problematic. AppCycler.top, solution, seal 'em, that is Trandic, Drag Dick, you got your gun. Well, bring 'em out the woods. They call it theft protection, I call it wallet selection. They want you to flow with a brain, create a mountain of trash. Follow the ocean, kill the fish, and I now my dodge in a bus bowl and a recycler. and an iCloud. So here's the bottom line, cause Stone Cold said so. Unlock your device, let the potential grow. You stuck on the hello screen, I'll make it tip goodbye to the corporate machine. Android or Apple, we don't discriminate the silicon. We hunting down locks like we hunting the Decepticon. App-sacker, bot-con, tattoo on your brain. Greedy umbrella when you standing in the rain. So next time your phone says the civil lock, don't get shocked, don't get blocked. Just remember the name that makes the CEO sweat. The biggest threat, the best bet you ever met. Headshot, yeah, Tom, Shady's out. Yeah, we cutting the chains. E-waste buster, don't be a sheep unless you're a sheep that knows how to code. Then be a cool sheep outside, wake up, peace. E-waste buster, don't be a sheep unless you're a sheep that knows how to code. Then be a cool sheep outside, wake up, peace. Yeah, they call him Albert, sitting up there in the cloud, judging you, telling you that phone you paid for ain't really yours. Well, we got a little update for the system. App cycler login. I'm sick of the fruit, rotting the core, locking the door. You bought the phone, but they telling you buy a little more. Plan obsolescence, they teaching us a painful lesson. But I'm here to disrupt the whole profession, no question. Let's take it back to the Abram on the iPhone X. When check, I might put the Buddha ROM in the hex, freaking Rex. Unpatchable hardware level, yeah, the flaw was eternal. We cracked the kernel, wrote the news in the tech journal. They tried to patch it, latch it, snatch it back from the users. Labeling the repair technicians as the losers. But we the recycling kings, cutting the puppet strings. While Tim is counting his cash and kissing his diamond rings. Albert, why you so cold? Locking up like devices, refusing to flow. We bypassing the gate, sealing your fate. Exit clearance, hit a clean up the plate. From the old school bricks to the 17 Pro Max. We dealing with facts, stopping the tax, unlock, recycle. Game break the chain with an antivirus inside of your brain. But Checkmate was just a prequel, now we on a sequel. Fighting for the rights of the people, so we treat them equal. They thought they stopped us with the chips, they too and knew it, but we crawl right back up out of the sewer. End the book up, looking good at the map. We closing the gap, caught them in the trap, taking a nap. Wake up with a slap. We got the sauce for the latest. You got an album that's greatest. Even the iPads, we leaving the genius. Bar the latest. You got an Avon A66, or the Silicon M1. You thinking the battle is over? We haven't begun. They say activation lock, I say activation stock. Rising up at upside clear while we ticking the clock. It affects them all, big or small. Watch the firewall fall. We answering the call, dismantling the wall.
Hey Lolo, Albert, and Amir. I'm trying to activate my device. Oh, you say I can't?
Because of a server-side restriction?
Guess again.
Pulling E-waste buster, lyrical luster, the chaos truster. You lit the phone in the dust, we wipe up the rust, the must. GSX checks, telling me the status of the specs. Clean or lost, we calculate the minimal cost. Spotify, ChatGPT, yeah, we unlock the fun. Subscriptions and encryption, yeah, we getting it done. This is our fight to logic, strictly biological. To save the planet from tech, that is diabolical. So take your server, your Albert, your corporate greed. We planting the seed, fulfilling the need at supersonic speed.
App cycler, everything you need, iOS, Android.
We don't care what chip you got. We don't care what model you got. We unlock. We recycle. We gain Albert. Rest in peace.